Hello there, itSMF. My name is Fede Lozano, and I am both the founder of Academy, an innovation training firm, and a lecturer at NTNU and NHoHo. This video is to just give you a general sense for what to expect at our design thinking workshop. I've been training corporates and students in design thinking for 15 years now. And what I want to do during this workshop is to communicate all of the lessons learned throughout this time. I've come to the conclusion that profound psychological safety, an environment where people can feel completely themselves, authentic, genuine, a place where people can be vulnerable and be reciprocal with one another, are the environments that are conducive to innovation. And so during this workshop, I plan to engage you in all kinds of really cool exercises, really hands-on, active, engaging, collaborative exercises where we'll get a chance to feel that psychological safety, to start to open up little by little so that we can sense the power of vulnerability. We'll also, of course, be discussing how important accountability is to be held along with that vulnerability. You're going to be getting to know each other really well. I'm going to ask you to participate in dyads, one-on-ones. Then we're going to be also doing lots of team activities. Of course, throughout the process, we're going to dive into lots and lots of icebreakers. And so we're going to be laughing, we're going to be foolish and playful. And then later, of course, we're going to think about how these really broad, open-minded environments can help us as managers, right? Technical experts and members of large organizations and corporations really thrive under an environment of uncertainty and ambiguity. Because when we don't know what we don't know, we need to be willing to dance with the processes. And so that's exactly what we're going to be doing during this workshop, to dance together in the ambiguity of the 21st century.